Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Casa Grande Handfall, which is located in Mamdipalli, Samshabad, South Hyderabad. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And we are here on the actual site. So this is the actual site where the construction work is going on. So right here is the marketing office and the sample villa is just behind the marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 10.1 acre of land parcel, consisting of total of 140 villas, and all the villas are XXX 4 BHK plus home theatre. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Mamdipalli Road in Samshabad, South Hyderabad. So let me show you that this is the Mamdipalli Road, and this road on the back end side will connect you towards Airport Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to RGI Airport in just 5 minutes. Outer Ring Road, exit number 16 and 14 is 10 minutes away from the project. Adani Aerospace Park is 9 minutes away. Feb City is 22 minutes away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you 60 plus indoor and outdoor amenities with British style clubhouse, rooftop swimming pool, gymnasium, cafe, adventure rock climbing and many more. Now coming to the configuration and area. So basically as mentioned, all are XXX 4 BHK villas plus home theatre. So all the 4 BHK villas are of 188 square yards. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model villa as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of residential villa project that is Casa Grande Handfall, which is located in Mamdipalli, Samshabad, South Hyderabad, a project developed by Casa Grande Builder.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.